This juice recipe will not only boost your metabolism but will also increase your productivity and will help you stay focused for the rest of the day.
To prepare this juice, I am using big piece of beetroot. Wash it properly and then slice it. Then we need 2 pieces of apples. You can cut it into quarter, 1 small cucumber, half a piece of lemon and 1 small piece of ginger. Now we'll plug on the juicer. Firstly, we'll add beetroot. When we talk about metabolism boosting foods, then it's simply incomplete without mention of beetroot. It purifies your blood and is also builds up the stamina. When combined with apples, then it shoots up the body metabolism like anything. While adding apples, ensure that you do not remove the peel of the apple because it's really fibrous and rich source of vitamin A. And after that, we'll add 1 small piece of cucumber with peel. Again, we'll not remove the peel. You can clearly see how is this juicer extracting the juice as well as pulp from all the fruits and the vegetables. And lastly goes 1 small piece of ginger. So my juicing is done. In a serving glass, we'll squeeze in half lemon juice. And after that, we'll add in some ice cubes. This is completely optional. And finally, here comes my daytime booster juice. Look at this lovely color. This is a perfect mid-afternoon juice. This 1 glass of juice will give you a shot of nutrients and antioxidants which will keep you going throughout the day.
One glass of juice can keep your heart healthy and will also be helpful in burning out fat.
For this juice, we'll be using 1.5 cup of watermelon. Then we need 1 cup of pomegranate seeds, few mint leaves, and there is another ingredient which I'll show you later. Firstly, we'll remove the pusher from the juicer. Then to this we'll add big pieces of watermelon because I have a wide feeding tube. However, you can cut down the watermelon in small pieces. Studies suggest that there are several nutrients in watermelon which have specific benefits for heart health. It helps in lowering down cholesterol and also blood pressure. So here goes my freshly prepared watermelon juice. Then to this we'll add pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate juice also helps in controlling blood's bad cholesterol level. It helps in improving blood flow and blood pressure to give you a healthy heart. Then we have added few mint leaves to give nice minty flavor to our juice. Mint also supports healthy cholesterol levels. So my juicing is done. We will also be using chia seeds in our drink. Chia seeds are good for your overall digestive and metabolic health. It helps in maintaining blood sugar and cholesterol levels because chia seeds are rich source of dietary fiber, so it helps in digestion, also regulating cholesterol levels. It is very helpful in weight loss as well, and it is the highest source of plant-based omega-3 acid, which is actually good fats. These seeds are also loaded with antioxidants. How do we use chia seeds is that in a glass of water, we'll add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. After some time, you will see that these seeds will swell up because they have an ability to soak up water. We need to keep it for overnight. I have already done it and we'll add it into our juice. In a serving glass, we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. Here goes my dose of antioxidants and fibers in the glass. And then we'll top it up with our freshly prepared sparkling red minty juice. This is a very healthy juice, really good for your heart.
This juice is super hydrating and there is a magical detox ingredient in it which will further enhance the cleansing action.
So let's start juicing. Firstly, we'll add cucumbers. You can cut cucumber into 2 big pieces. Cucumber is an ultimate cool and hydrating cleansing food. It is high in silica content, so it is great for skin. Also, it is rich in vitamin A, especially the peel of the cucumber, so do not remove the peel. You can see that the juicer is juicing at a very slow speed. This helps to ensure to get maximum nutrients out of these ingredients. So then we'll add carrots. Here goes my 3 big pieces of carrots in the juicer. Just push it little bit. And then we'll add coriander. You can use parsley also. So I'm adding 2 handfuls of coriander, Coriander is a storehouse of antioxidants. It eases out digestion and also helps in preventing bloating. And lastly, we'll add a small piece of ginger in it. And my juicing is done. Here is my magical detox ingredient, turmeric powder. We'll just use a small pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder helps in cleansing your liver. Also, it boosts the immune system as well as metabolism. Then we'll add lemon juice. And lastly, we will pour our freshly prepared cleansing juice. This juice will detoxify your body and help to keep you full throughout the day. Also, it tastes really nice. You need to consume this juice early in the morning and I'm sure you will feel good throughout the day.
This clear skin juice recipe will not only give you a healthy glow on your skin but will also energize you. So let's see what all ingredients do we need to make this juice recipe. And we'll add tomatoes first. Tomatoes is an excellent source of vitamin C, biotin and vitamin K. It helps in improving skin texture and color. Then goes my oranges. You can even use Malta. Citrus fruits like oranges, lime, these all are rich source of vitamin C. We all know that, and it is great for detoxifying. Thus, it will help make your skin clear and more beautiful. Then we'll add apples in it. Do not peel the apple, put it just like that. And lastly, we'll add pomegranate seeds. That's it, my juicing is done.
I will now rotate the drip stop knob to prevent dripping of the juice. This will keep the juicer clean.
Let me transfer the juice. We'll also add fresh lime juice. Just stir it. And here is my clear skin juice ready to serve. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals and powerful antioxidants. It will give you a healthy glow. I hope you liked watching today's video. If you want to see more such interesting recipes, then check out the links which are flashing on the screen here. Share our videos with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.